Hey there! I thought I'd share the way how I set up and manage my themes on Linux. There's really a ton of ways to do it, but this way is one of the better ways to keep your themes well organized and maintained. The first thing to do is to go on the web and search for themes you like. There's a number of places to do this, but a good place to start is here at pling.com. I've got 3 things I want to install for demonstration purposes loaded up here. The first is a theme set called XFCE Classiclix, the second is an icon set called Fedora, and the third is a cursor set called KDE Classic Remastered. I have to navigate down the page a bit, and under this Files tab we can find links for downloading. Again, there's plenty of other ways to organize your theme files, but this way is one of the tidiest and most responsible. Download these themes to some specific folder you create for hosting them. In my case, I have a folder for theme sets, which is under my home folder, then under public, and the folder is called theme sets. I also have a similar set for icon sets, and that folder is also here in public, called icon sets. As far as cursor sets go, I download them to icon sets as well, since they're technically a form of icon set. After we download these themes, we will need to unarchive them and then install them. We'll be doing this in the terminal, but don't worry, it's really not that hard at all. I will open up a file manager to the side here in order to help show visually some of the changes we'll be doing, but it's not necessary to use a file manager if you know what you're doing. I will start with installing the Classiclix theme set. Open a terminal and navigate to the directory the icon set is in. Once you're there, unarchive the theme set. As you can see, there are now a bunch of Classiclix folders here, and we can install all of these. Copy all of these Classiclix folders to where we need to install themes. Run cp-r Classiclix asterisk, yes without a space between Classiclix and the asterisk, then ~/.local share themes .local share themes is the location for themes, and .local share icons is the location for icons. Once these folders have been copied over to their respective places, they're installed. You can then set them in your settings. Yes, it really is that easy to do this. I hope this helped. If not, you can always ask me for some more info.